What's up, everyone? This is Natalie from Serpstat, and as usual, I'm back with a video, a tutorial slash overview video about everything Serpstat. But before we go ahead and proceed to that, I just want to show you, or I just want to give you a mini tour of the Serpstat landing page where we have some amazing offers for you. Just like this one, which is a free guide that can show you how Serpstat is generating agencies an additional thousands of dollars per month on autopilot. And all you need to do is to just leave your first name and your email address so that you can get started on this. And also, of course, do not forget to subscribe to our mailing list so that you can get the updates directly sent to your email addresses. So here we have another one that can be very useful for you, very beneficial, and it is something that you can use to get actionable free SEO audit. So you can get that in less than a minute. It's a very quick process. So what you just need to give us is are the following information that you will supply on this text boxes right here, and then clicking on this button will get you started on your Serpstat journey. So that is it for my mini commercial for Serpstat actually. So here we will be discussing about another special feature that Serpstat offers, which is under their backlink analysis tool. As you can see here, we are on the project dashboard for Serpstat. And if you have been following this series, then you would have, or you most likely have seen how to do how to create projects, how to group them and stuff. And if you haven't watched any of those videos yet, just please proceed to our playlist where you can see all of those videos. And then here, going back to our main topic, which is going to be external domains under backlink analysis. So how does this exactly work? What is it about and stuff? We're going to talk about that. So external domains, if you're quite unsure of what it is. So in a nutshell, an external domain is those external websites that are, I'm sure most of us have encountered one, something like payment funnels that are embedded into the website so that when you click on it, you will be redirected to another website or another page. And here we have a list of those external domains that are under Serpstat.com. So here we have a list, 20 items or 20 links for this one. And then you have external pages right here, or the number of pages linking to the domain from analyzed domain or URL. So you can either filter this descending or ascending, however you want to analyze the results. And then you can also try to see them or change how many you want to see per page result. So that is one thing. And then of course, as usual, you have the special features or special features right here to copy to clipboard, filter, and also export them, as I have mentioned on the past tools that we have discussed. But yeah, basically this is what the external domains feature is all about. It's to determine what external domains are in your page or website. And that is it for this one. I hope you found this interesting and that you think this is a very helpful tool that you can use to determine the external links that you have or the external domains that you have on your website. And yeah, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, of course, and leave any comments, any takeaways that you may have, or just overall thoughts about this video or the feature that we have for Serpstat. So thank you guys again for watching, and see you on the next video.